Water4Use working with nanotechnology for groundwater cleanup. Water4Use has developed on-site water filtration technology targeting water use opportunities across commercial industry as it continues its project. One challenge for Water4Use is cleaning groundwater that was polluted by industrial or farm runoffs. Through continuous research and development on processing wastewater, Water4Use R&D have discovered that using nanotechnology, in particular, iron nanoparticles, on treating groundwater can rapidly degrade pollutants, such as fertilizers, pesticides, to make a mix of harmless byproducts. As the stormwater enters drains and flows across the soil, it carries contaminant such as arsenic, chlorinated solvents, metallic compounds, that will contaminate the groundwater. Water4Use is presently working on R&D projects that operate on groundwater cleanup. Water4Use R&D found a way on cleaning groundwater through vigorous experimentation and testing. One way to clean groundwater is to drill 2 wells apart from the suspected contaminated area, depending on the flow of water in the aquifer. The first well is drilled on the upstream and the second is placed on the downstream area. The process is by using a filter membrane whose membrane layers consist of carbon nanotubes and the other layer with iron nanoparticles. This material consists of particles whose surface has many nano-sized pores. The process starts from suction from the aquifer through the continuous vacuum filtration machine and pumping back groundwater that is mixed with iron nanoparticles. The nanoparticles then attract contaminants as suction occurs, and it will go through the filter membrane where contaminants will be filtered on the uppermost layer. As it goes through in it, the excess iron nanoparticles with attracted contaminants will be trapped from the energized layer of the membrane with a combination of activated carbon. And as it exits the membrane, the injected iron nanoparticles from the bottom layer will be carried and mixed to the discharged groundwater into the ground. The process is repeated until the groundwater is contaminant-free. The other way of treating groundwater with iron nanoparticles is when rain event is forecast. Before rain event, inject iron nanoparticles into the ground. As the rain falls, it will naturally drain into the ground. The process also helps clean the soil from any pollutants that's trapped within it. Undergoing the same process by the use of continuous vacuum filtration machine, the groundwater will be treated from the filter membrane designed by Water4Use. To know more, visit our website at www.water4use.com.